it's the next day now. We were combining yesterday, and we finished combining. We got it all done last night, and today we're crimping the grain. So some of you may know, but I'll explain for people that don't. So crimping the grain is two rollers, and the grain goes through the rollers, and the reason for that is because if it was a full grain, the cow wouldn't digest it very well. But when we've crimped it, the cow can digest it far better. So he'll be coming to crimp it soon, and probably wondering, have you got your cows in already? No, these are just the dry ones. As you can see, we've got about 20 in here. So we've just feeding them haylage, which will do them good, and they can just walk in and out. But we'll keep them in until they've finished quite a lot of this, because they've got a lot left. But once they finish that, we'll let them walk in and out to the field, and we'll scrape and stuff. But that's just what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be crimping the grain, and you also have to, when you're crimping the grain, you put additive in. It's like silage. It's nearly the same thing as silage. So you put you crimp it, and then the additive goes in, and then it comes out of the auger and lands in a pile. Then my dad will move it onto the sheeting where we put up last night, and we'll roll it and cover it, and then when we're using it, we'll just take the cover off and use it every time we're feeding. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Let's get into it. So we're just power washing the Manitou because it was a bit dirty, and we didn't want to be going over the grain with it when it was dirty and putting all the muck on the grain. As you can see, the grain's there. What a massy. This is the additive for the grain, 2 bags, which are very expensive. So we're gonna put this in the water, and then this will mix with the grain. So this is where the grain will be going, here. he's finished not well the guy that came to crimp the grain, he went about half an hour ago and I was having my lunch, so I didn't get to see him when he left. So here it is, all of the grain, and then as you can see, this will be put in the bucket and then it'll be put down, put over here, and then made all nice and hard in like the silo, and I'll drive over it and I'll really make it compact. So that's what we're going to be spending our afternoon doing. And yeah, and I'll just show you. So the stuff here, it's, you might see camera focus there. So all the grains, most of the grains are all crushed, which is good because that, and then there's added the additives in that. So he's just rolling it to compact it down. As you can see, we have all of the grain put in, all squished down and rolled. So we're going to put on the cover now, and I'll show you in the time lapse.